Today I'm going to show you how to build a free website using the Wix AI website builder in 2026 step by step with no coding experience needed. Because honestly, a lot of beginners think building a website is complicated, expensive, or requires programming skills, but thanks to AI website builder, creating a website today is much easier than most people think. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a free website using Wix AI from the beginning. First, go to the official Wix website, Wix, official website, then create your account using your email Google accounter, another available login option. And honestly, the setup process only takes a few minutes. Now, after signing in, Wix will ask how you want to create your website. Choose the AI website builder option because this is the easiest method for beginners. And now the next step, answer the AI questions. This part is very important because the AI uses your answers to generate the website automatically. For example, it may ask, what type of website are you creating? What is your business or brand name? What style do you want? What features do you need? You simply answer the questions honestly, and the AI starts building your website automatically. Now, after a short moment, Wix generates a complete website draft, including pages, images, sections, buttons, menus, and layouts. And honestly, this surprises a lot of beginners because the AI already creates most of the structure for you. Now, let's talk about editing your website, because even after the AI builds everything, you can still customize almost every part of the site. You can change text, images, fonts, colors, backgrounds, buttons, and sections simply by clicking on them. And honestly, this is what makes Wix so beginner-friendly, because everything works visually without needing code. Now, another useful feature, AI text generation. Wix can also help generate website text automatically. For example, headlines, business descriptions, service pages, or product information. This is very useful if you do not know what to write on your website yet. Now let's talk about adding extra features, because Wix allows you to install additional tools very easily. For example, the blogs, online stores, booking systems, contact forms, live chat, and email marketing tools. You can add these features directly from the Wix dashboard. Now, something important, the free version of Wix does have some limitations. For example, your website will normally include Wix branding and a Wix subdomain instead of a custom domain, so your website might look something like your name, wixsite.com, instead of yourwebsite.com. But honestly, for beginners testing ideas or learning web design, the free version is usually more than enough. Now, another important tip, always check the mobile version of your website, because most people visit websites from their phones. In 2026, Wix automatically optimizes websites for mobile, but you should still preview everything before publishing. Now let's talk about publishing. Once your website looks ready, simply click the publish button and your website goes live online, which honestly feels pretty crazy the first time you do it. Now, let's be honest, for a second, AI website builders are making web design much easier than before, because years ago, creating a website could take weeks or even require hiring developers, but now tools like Wix allow beginners to launch websites in a very short time. So to wrap this up, if you want to build a free website with Wix AI in 2026, create your account, choose the AI builder, answer the setup questions, customize your website, preview the mobile version, and publish it once everything looks ready. Because honestly, building a website today is easier than ever thanks to AI.